People search using the Spokeo online tool. Open google.com in your browser and search spokeo.com. Click on www.spokeo.com link and search the name. You can see number of results of Anita Patel. Here you can see address information with the information of this Anita Patel. Click on see result. You can see relative information of Anita Patel, location of Anita Patel, age information of Anita Patel, and aliases information of Anita Patel. You can also gather personal details, location history, family background, court and historic records, photos and online profile, and contact informations. So thank you for watching this video. People search using the NAU online tool. Here I will show you how you can gather people's information, people's phone number information using NAU online tool. Just open Google on your browser and search by using site:/nau.com. Click on this first link. Any person name, you can see list of information with the name of Anita Patel. You can see this is address information of the Anita Patel and this phone number of Anita Patel. You can also search reverse phone lookup information using phone numbers. NAU.com provides email and other phone lookup information, detailed background information, public records information, property area information, and social network profile detail. So thank you for watching this video.